Coming in the next one. Oh. That doesn't look. Just control it with your hand. Like this. Okay? I'm putting out a Russia. These are all even getting controlled. Oh. I'm getting out of Russia. Go underground. Underground. That's the underground garage. No, I'm coming. Back in. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep. Bye, bye, show. Bye, bye. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep. Get out of the way. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, bye. Bye, bye, show. Bye, guys. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. I'm looking out of Russia and that. Beep, beep. Russia. Boom. That, yeah. Do I want a little not goody? I'm putting out of Russia and Shido. Come on, Russia. Out of Russia, doggy. Right? Shido. I'm putting my Russia out. Wow. I auntie brought out of Russia. Pretend there's no people in it. Wow.
Luke and Jack, it's time to get ready to go to bed.
What did you say?
It's time to get ready to go to bed.
Okay. Beep, beep. Just 1 second, Grandma.
You ready to go to bed, Jack?
No. I'm looking out of my Russia box in Shido.
You're putting it in here?
Yeah.
What did you build?
A what?
A garage?
Yeah.
Wow, it's pretty special.
So easy.
Huh?
Well, I see easy down here.
Do I see that down there?
Yeah.
Yeah,
It's
I
like
do.
underground garage.
Wow, it's an underground garage?
Yeah.
Like a parking garage?
Yeah.
Wow, that
It's
looks
a parking
neat.
garage. I'm the geek. I'm
like that you used your imagination.
Tennessee.
Whose idea was it for the parking garage?
Me.
Who?
You. Me.
Yours, Luke?
Yeah.
I like it. You did good.
Let me put it by so all of them can go.
You can build it again tomorrow.
No.
But it's time to go to bed, honey.
No, we bought a ride.
You what?
We bought a ride.
You gonna put it away?
No, we have a ride up there we see. We're going to Northern Tennessee.
Oh, you're driving. Are you driving?
I'm driving to Northern Tennessee.
To Northern Tennessee?
Yeah.
Okay.
That's where you are.
Don't get a ticket.
No, we are going too fast.
Oh, you're not.
We know every.
Are you obeying the speed limit?
Yeah.
Okay.
We know how fast we are going.
How fast are you going?
So it says to go 50 miles, 100 miles an hour. So we will go 100 miles an hour. That might go 100 miles an hour is very fast.
Yeah, it is.
It's a road.
You might get a ticket if you go 100 miles an hour.
No, that's what the sign says. It says go 100 miles an hour on the sign sign.
Okay, do you want to pick up your stuff and put it away? Because we got to go to bed.
I need to keep the garage.
You're going to keep it?
Yeah.
Okay, don't be surprised if Mom and Dad pack it up.
Yeah, I know. Mama, I got you from Jacking Book.
What did he say, Luke?
He saw I lightning bug.
Oh, he saw a lightning bug?
And they gave me a ticket for no good reason. I just killed them with a light of and I destroyed the ticket and threw it away. And I was in heaven.
And they were,
God
and they were in heaven?
Yeah. Mama, God is a lightning bug. But such God, not God the Father or the Holy Spirit.
What was that about God the Father and the Holy Spirit? What was that?
Jesus and the Holy Spirit is dead, but I mean all the alive and again, except the only one who is God.
They're all alive, honey.
That's the only one that's alive.
They're all alive.
And the game says God is alive.
In the game? Oh, okay. Okay, well, let's go to bed. Love you guys.